Yes, old school day night today be every Thursday on Top Talk Talk on old school day. Yes, today go dey very interesting. We will get one legendary reggae artist inside the studio. I know say plenty of them would like and well, and we get some of his songs them where go take you back to the days to the days of reggae, to the days of good music. So all you need to do now to sit down and enjoy the show. And apart from that, we also get our old school picture of the day. We get our old school video of the day. We also get our musical video where we go check our inside to see whether make we continue to play them or make we stop them. Plenty things that we get for you today on top of the show, so enjoy the show. As you all know, now 4 ladies they carry you on top of the show. My name na Uvi Ehigamusoi, and the ladies them they will give you 1 or 2 things them where you need to know about the show.
Yeah, so we don't talk plenty on top everything we carry come for on Top Talk today. You get legendary singer, legendary artist, where we go take you back to the days when them born Uwi and Queen B. You know, all the old school people. We now see upcoming generation because we are still in the market. Yes, we're in the market. On that note, my name is Betiana Unweli, and welcome to Talk Talk.
Yes, and always, every Thursday, we do waka somehow, find all those old things. Or sometimes new, but either way we wear them or we throw them. We will give them today. My name still remains Amaka Ukudiafo.
They say when pikin them born and me grow, he get something where they hungry am. And those days when I grow up, I tell you, he get some songs where we say those people where they sell CD for streets go put big speaker for front and they go they play songs. When they send you now the song, you go they sing, they go they dance like this.
You go they jump, they go they
And today I get the opportunity to meet this person one-on-one and to even interview him on top of those songs. So Ali, I'm gonna watch out today. It go hot. My name now Queen B Obalo.
Queen B, remember those? No, all of us remember those times where they sell apple for whether they carry them wheelbarrow, and then you put the speaker, bah, and then you hear the song, boom, boom, boom.
The one where they do now, the one they go carry for for shoulder.
That one already not match that.
They
don't match that speaker.
You don't match that massive speaker.
They carry that. I don't know the mighty box where they say they call it.
No, but now wheelbarrow. Now wheelbarrow
with television.
All right, why we they very excited? I'm sure you two were there very excited because the guest where we go get inside the studio very soon and go actually tutorial you not be small. But before the guest and before waiting they hot, we get our old school picture of the day.
Of course, as always. Producer, please give us that fine. Is that boy this time? Nah, fine boy. Just give us the picture and we'll see who he be. Old school picture. So who is he?
So give us hints. Just give us hints.
He's a singist. A very fine boy. I know now just singist. I don't need to talk to him because they're very simple. If you look at in the face, they show already. He's a singist now.
He don't win BET or he never win BET.
Hey, he didn't nominate. The nominator. Yes. So I'm not going to talk to him. I'm not going to even give you another clue again.
But also, I know say he don't act before.
Oh, I said I don't want to give you another clue. I still act clue.
So, you know what, I like this particular different points where they don't give you. One person, Queen B, say he don't act before. Another one say he don't sing.
So give another point.
Another point.
In girlfriend, fine pieces.
Now you see him, you don't get 3
Girlfriend, fine.
You don't get 3 different hints them on top who this person be. 1, if they act. Are you sure? Say if they act. You they very sure? Tell us who the person be. 2, they say na singist. You they very sure saying they sing? Tell us who that person be. And 3, they say your girlfriend fine pieces like Uvi. You want to know who that person be?
Yes.
Tell us who the person actually
It's a black beauty somebody.
Uwi, a fine girl.
So they tell us what's going to happen.
Yes, as always, if you tell us who this person be by following us on top of our Twitter, will be at TalkTalk or Facebook, will be TalkTalk-Wazobia TV, you go chopulate better brand new chassis as always recharge card. When you win, we can sunshine the brand new, let me new car. Brand new recharge card.
Talk away before the person
Now recharge card though. The recharge card.
Card. You talk the D well. Card. Be like card.
Recharge card.
Thank you.
All right, you don't hear him. All right, we'll just move on now with our waiting day hot of the day. Now, our first story for today concerns Hollywood actress Chidera Adiele. How say I pronounce his name well? I know why.
Yeah, we understand. I'm pidgin take
now Adiele, right? Now she don't respond to haters over Adele. over and nude pictures and picture where she opened her body. Now, heavily pregnant Nollywood actress Chidera Dio Adele, she shared nude photo of her pregnant self. And now she don't react to her haters. Now she shared the photo. I don't know whether we not feel actually show
The nude
plenty
one.
of the photo. We not feel show plenty of the photo on top TV now. But now she don't answer all of them where they talk say, why on earth will a pregnant woman open her body like this for the entire world to see? Now she thought say, let the bloggers keep posting and talking. I understand that's what they feed on. He said nudity is nature and there is absolutely nothing new on the face of the earth. I am not the first to have my pictures leaked, neither will I be the last. He said, meanwhile, ladies and gentlemen, as I don't cast so, I will just get me some, he said, he go get ice cream and donuts, say chillax, say relax, enjoy yourself. He said, while I sit back and watch yesterday's fresh gist become tomorrow's old story. Wow. He said, meanwhile, una they wish me safe delivery, because that's all I need from una now. He said, I love everybody, regardless of all the things una they talk. Now, she don't come outside, the friend, why she naked, they show a nude picture on top internet, make everybody a whoa. They see and wait her husband.
Well, for me, I go say we. Everybody, oh.
Now, I understand.
Why you go Bini for the water?
The thing is shocking.
They say, you get one particular proverbs where my mom still always talk. I'm blessing up one Bini chief now actually talk. He say, out of all my children's seeds, Osaro is the worstest. Can you imagine? He beated me and nakeded me in the presence of a woe.
A woe.
Okay.
I'm asking now this question.
I know what you want to answer.
Oh my God.
Now, I understand say times a change. I understand say now women they appreciate themselves, even though say they get belly, and you see say women they take photos of their pregnancy, their naked body. Now you feel say anything there wrong now?
I feel say if you ask me that one, I go just one cool personal now. Now personal decision. Now what you want to do? Yes, we talk say morals and all those activity or how I go take explain out. People personal decision. If you talk say you won't go nude, now your personal decision. If you feel say that the right thing to do and you're comfortable with them, if society frown on them, some things society they frown at sometimes not really be the right thing. Some things society they smile at not really be the right thing. Like Kris Jenner now, almost everybody they now. What's be real name now? Sorry. I said Kris Jenner. Catalina, anyone. Now, people they give and support, say this, but some of us not still feel say not the right thing. So if you feel say you dey comfortable with the fact say you won't open your waiting your husband give you to everybody. Good luck to you. I don't get too much to talk about this, but a personal decision. Now her decision. So if my own decision now I know say I'm as right. But now her decision say she wants to own your bona the Bobo hero all the world say see me as I come. So her decision.
Well, for me, actually, I go bring them home as a typical Nigerian woman. Where I be. No matter the education or anything where I don't acquire, I still be Nigerian and I be African. And no be our culture to expose our body. Instead, we dey cover them. We like, especially when they say you don't marry. And then you don't even want born pikin. Maybe you don't get pikin or you get belly. Now to cover your body because now your husband property, now your husband gets them. Most of all these things where all of us they express now based on what we learn from the Oyibo man culture. And make we not forget, say no matter how we copy Oyibo no they ever for one day say they won't copy black person. So we still need to respect our culture and everything. We understand the fact, say, okay, yes, some people want to do and say, okay, now your first time, you want to see as your body be, you want to, now why they make mirror? You stand in front of the mirror, you turn all around, and you see how your body is manifesting. You don't need to take picture because, like I talk, person they asked me one time, I don't feel remember exactly who, whether I go fit take nude picture for any price, and I talk and I said, see, even if I say I want to use my camera, something if you happen, if you give you my phone, use call, you see the picture, you transfer them to your phone, it don't circulate. You don't feel guarantee 100%. Say if you take them, you sign any contract or anything, say it no go leak outside. And if you leak outside, you know, you get very limited and damage control what you feel do to that kind of picture. So the best thing, no take them at all. You know be Oyibo, you know be our culture. Our culture, we they hide ourselves, we they cover our body. The only thing where we they expose, now our face. So for me, that one, no, you don't get any reason, whether na belle or I mean na modeling or anything where they do. Unless say you don't ready 100% for waiting one come afterwards. And if you know say you never ready, please, I beg, no just chook your eye inside.
Well, Betiana, well said. You talk am well, exactly as it's supposed to be. And imagine this woman, na Igbo woman. Na Igbo woman, Chidera, na Igbo woman, we actually believe in culture. You know why we go talk this matter? Because the new generation, this generation, no be waiting my mom teach me, no be waiting Betiana mother teacher. So if we decide to say na nakedness now can be the next thing, then why God can't give those people where get sense to do clothes, can't do clothes? Because he knows say today naked no good. Even the days of Adam and Eve, when they know their nakedness, they look for leaf to cover themselves. So we don't come past that level. I beg, no take us to the days of the Garden of Eden. We don't pass that level. I beg, you know, they're all right. Even though, to me, I go say, she not first popular, so opportunity to use her became blue. After pregnancy, we shall see what will happen next. We can move to the next.
For me, I just feel say, now only the bad part of Oyobodo Ibo now they actually copy. Yes, I know say growing up, now the Obodo Ibo, you will see say that they take pictures of that. They don't even appreciate their, as in how God don't create women to the cover themselves, so that they expose and like say tomorrow or not they. So we don't see say, oh, it's a good thing. Kim Kardashian doing, oh,
she breaks the internet.
She breaks the internet.
And she get 15 million likes in seconds.
And she they make money, so let me actually do my own. So we always copy the bad side. The good side will not go always copy you. Now the one way go come bring shame to us. As far as I'm concerned, as an African woman where I be, exposing yourself, I feel is even shameful for me. Because this is waiting that my husband's supposed to see. But at the end of the day, I give the entire world me the same. But as you talk,
What have one got?
Now your choice. All right, moving on, we'll talk about Majek Fashek. Now, today now our old school day, so we are actually dealing with old school people. Now, Majek Fashek, he writes, his wife, Rita Fashek, the former wife of musician Majek Fashek, who is currently battling with drug and alcohol addiction. We know him. MC Majek Fashek, they struggle with a lot of things. Now, finally, she don't open up on why she divorced him 3 months ago. Now, according to her story, she do for instance one in recent interview, she talks say, I don't remarry and I dey move on with my life. He say, when things don't go right, what do you do? He say, I am tired of waiting for Majek. He said, I be done dey live for years alone, lonely, and with my children, waiting for him to come home. I don't wait for 3 good years. And he said, I don't wait all these years. Him brothers not care for me. No member of the family reach out to me. I know they go any younger. So I can't decide to move on. He said, Majek Fashek abandoned the children and me for so long. Too long. I am no longer Majek's wife. I love Amu, but I am not in love with him. He said, Majek now wonderful man. I am worried and concerned about his life this time. He said he has been on drug dependency for over 15 years. And we get 3 children together. Randy na 20 years, Sheun na 24, and the last boy na 12 years. She said, my ex-husband need help. I plead with Nigerians to help us as we begin another attempt to rescue him from the streets of Lagos and from this addiction, drug addiction, where he don't put himself inside. He said it will require money to put him inside a professional treatment facility. Hence, we don't set up appeal form to beg Nigerians to actually support to save Majek Fashek. This one is one of our legendary artists too. And now, with the appeal to Nigerians to save a life. What do you feel? She feels that the woman do the right thing.
For me, we know they're in position to talk whether a right thing or a wrong thing. Because from the first instance, we don't know what she don't face for inside. I only feel imagine everything where the woman don't go through because her first child at 24 and all along she did with Majek Fashek. 30. Her first child at 30. So you understand, you feel imagine oh God, it ain't hard enough when you dey inside them and you face everything. It's not that easy for you to try help person unless the person too actually want help himself. So now one thing if she dey try to help Majek all these years, and another thing where if Majek actually puts himself in position where people feel help him, even now when she dey solicit say many Nigerians can't help him, the person first need to admit, say, okay, yes, I get problem, and okay, yes, I actually want to help myself get out of this problem. It take me back to what we discussed the other time, where we'll be frankly talk, say, fame now one of the greatest drugs for inside the industry. So once fame come, different things fit follow. For Majek's situation, I could just say, okay, yes, when the fame actually come, you know, you got some kind of things where you go to face, especially for the Oyibo industry.
I know you will get plenty things to talk about this particular one, but we go actually into a small break right now. When we come back after this break, we go talk more about this particular issue, and our guests go join us inside the studio. Hopefully, all of us go put mouth inside, Abby.
Definitely.
So we they come back.
una know say una just enjoy the video they wanna just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. No darling.